Welcome dear students. In this video we are going to see how selection sort works. Now selection sort is a sorting algorithm and it identifies the minimum element from a unsorted array, and then that minimum element will be placed into a sorted section. Alright. So initially you input an unsorted array, so its minimum element will be identified, and this minimum element will be kept incrementally on the sorted part. This array will actually divide your array into two subarrays. One subarray will be already sorted and the remaining subarray will be unsorted. So initially when you input your original array, that entire array is an unsorted array. When you pick up the first minimum element and place to index 0, that 0 part becomes the sorted. Now the unsorted part is from index 1 to remaining elements. Alright, so from the remaining unsorted elements we search for the minimum element, take it and place it to the index number 1. So this is done incrementally, and so you get your sorted subarray will increase with each iteration and your unsorted array will keep on reducing in size. Now we can see a simple example to see how it's actually implemented. So this is my array 18, 8, 15, 3, 7. Now we need 3 indexes to keep track of our elements. First is I, then is j, then another one is minimum index. Now for every iteration of I, we will find a minimum element from the unsorted array. So as I said, in our initial input, our entire array is unsorted. So 18, 8, 15, 3, 7. This is my input array and it is unsorted. So I have initialized I equal to 0, and the second variable, that is j, it's always I plus 1. That means in next iteration when I becomes 1, so j has to begin from 2. So similarly j will, in every iteration j will be I plus 1. Okay, and our min index will start from I. Alright, so what we are doing here is we are assuming that the minimum value is initially index 0. So I have taken and I have 18 as my minimum index currently. Now starting from j equal to I plus 1, we need to compare these elements. 18 and 8 are being compared, and after that we can see 8 is smaller. So my min index value will increment. So now my minimum index value is 1 and the value is 8. Now again increment j, starting from 8 and 15 are compared. Still the minimum index value is 1 itself because 8 is smaller. Now compare between 8 and 3. We can see our minimum value is 3. So the minimum index will be changed and now it will be 3. And we will check again with the last element, that is 7. And minimum index is 3 here because 3 and 7 comparing, 3 is smaller, so it is still the minimum value. Now what we have to do is we need to swap between I and min index. Okay, so 3 and 18 are swapped. So 3 becomes the first element, that is at index 0, and 18 becomes the 18 is placed at the index number 3. Now in the next iteration, I will start from 1 and j will start from I plus 1, that is second index. So again we will identify the minimum index from all these elements, and 8, 15, 18, 7. Finally the minimum index will be 7. Now 7 will be swapped with 8. So 7 will be part of the sorted array now. Now again in the next iteration, I and j value becomes 15 and 18, and we will iterate through this and identify the minimum index value, which is 8. Now 8 and 15 get swapped. Now again in the next iteration we have to compare between 8 and 15. Minimum index is the index of, so it is 4, and index number 3 and 4 are swapped and 15 comes in the sorted part of the array, and finally our array will be sorted after the last iteration and our unsorted subarray will be diminishing and we will get the sorted array. Now I will show you the program implementation for this. I have a method selection sort. In this, two arguments are there. Array is passed as the input and length of the array is passed. Now for I is equal to 0 to maximum element. Alright, that is the total number of iterations that we have to execute. And min index is initially equal to I, which is 0. Now starting from j equal to I plus 1 to j less than length, compare the value of every jth index with minimum index. If it is smaller, our min index will be swapped with j. Now if the j index is holding a smaller value, then that index will become our new min index. And after that, once you complete that particular iteration, that means after you have identified first individual, that is smallest element, you have to swap. So these are the steps for swapping. Alright, you use a temporary variable to swap the element between min index and I. I have told you previously that minimum element has to be placed at ith position. So in first iteration it will be placed in 0th index, next iteration it will be placed in first index, second, and so on. So finally we will get a sorted array from our input unsorted array. So this is how selection sort works. It identifies the minimum element and places it into a sub array that is sorted. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected to watch more videos on data structures. In our next video, we will be discussing about insertion sort. Okay, thank you all. Thank you once again.